10 years ago, I planted camellias, and they have done very well, till now. There's a strange pattern on the bark of one of the plants. I have pruned it into a tree shape so that it would show above the camellias in front of it. It blooms profusely in late winter with pink blooms. I have it planted against the north-facing side of the house, and it gets dappled sun as soon as the sun clears the house around noon. The other camellias do not appear to have this on their bark. What is going on? And this is Chris in Nashville. Appreciate the details. We know when the sun is coming over.
Yes,
you know, I like
great.
this. Yeah, we're planting in front of it, you know, to kind of hide that. So this is good.
And they've got it on the north side.
On the north side, right, facing the side of the house. Yeah, dapple
so
sun.
it's getting some, okay.
Nice blooms.
Yeah.
This is good. So what do we think that is, though? We've seen that
before. Unfortunately, I've seen that a lot.
I've seen it as well.
He's wildlife at its greatest. It's a yellow-bellied sapsucker.
Yellow-bellied, yes.
They came and did that to my viburnum, and you know, of course, there's a shrub.
Right.
So when they started circling, a few of the limbs ended up dying, but not the whole plant.
Right.
Unfortunately, his has got a nice trunk, and that gets to be a little bit more difficult. But yeah, that's wildlife at its greatest.
Wildlife, yeah. I have that similar damage to my hollies, you know, right in front of my door. You know, almost perfect, you know, perfect lines.
It's amazing, isn't it?
The way they do that. And I've seen them a couple of times just out the window kind of looking. But yeah, just a couple of limbs, you know, have died from that damage. But for the most part, you know, the tree is going to be fine. Yeah, it's going to be fine. So your camellias, I think, will be fine. Look, they are protected. So yeah, don't run out there and try to shoot them or anything like that.
No.
Right. But yeah, the tree will be fine. I don't think there's anything you need to do to try to deter the yellow-bellied sapsucker from doing that damage.
Trying to find some food.
Right. Yeah, so I think they'll be fine. But Chris, we appreciate that. Yeah, the details in that.
I love it.
And the picture, good picture. So we appreciate that. So yeah, don't be alarmed, yellow-bellied sapsucker. You can read on that if you want to, but yeah, it's not gonna be a problem. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.